the vineyard is quite steep. We do a number of things to check erosion and keep the soil in place. One of the most important things is the use of cover crops. And our cover crops here are permanent cover crops. In the past, we've seeded particular plants for different reasons. If we needed nitrogen in certain places, we would plant legumes, nitrogen fixers that would provide nitrogen from the air for the grapevines. Other places we've had a little bit too much vigor, and so we've used cover crops that would remove a little bit of nitrogen. We also use the cover crops to suck up some of the early season moisture so that it keeps the vine vigor in check, and that's one of the hallmarks of high quality fruit, are vines that aren't very vigorous. And that's essentially what we have here. With soils whose origins are uplifted seabed, calcareous material, a lot of dead seashells that found their way to the surface once we had a lot of uplifting and the mountains were forming. This is a great example of where our soils came from. This is a piece of sedimentary rock that came from the bottom of the seabed, and when we pulled this out of a vineyard block that we were developing just to my left here, this rock split, and what do you know, in the middle of it we've got a fossil fish right here and right here. We've found lots and lots of fossils in this vineyard. We found fossil fish, we found shells, we found leaves, a number of things that are great indicators of where the soils came.